In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ page in your Wix website step by step. This tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring that even if you're new to Wix, you'll have a professional looking FAQ section in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Simply open your preferred web browser like Google Chrome and type in wix.com. Once you're there, click on the login button at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials to access your Wix dashboard. Once inside your Wix environment, look for the option that says Edit Site. By clicking on it, you're setting yourself up to start making changes to your website. Now, let's head to the site editor where we'll create your new FAQ page. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a toolbar. Within this toolbar, there's an option marked Menus and Pages. Clicking this will display a list of all current pages on your website. To add a new one, click on Add Page, which is usually located at the bottom of this list. For this tutorial, we'll be creating a blank page, so select Blank Page when prompted. Once your new page is created, it's time to give it a name. You'll want something simple yet descriptive, so let's go with FAQ for frequently asked questions. After naming your page, click Done to save your changes. This will take you back to the page editor where you can start filling in your FAQ content. With your new page made, it's time to add some text. On our blank page, you have the option to add elements. Look for the plus sign, typically labeled as either Add or Elements on your toolbar. Clicking on this will give you a variety of options. Select text since we're going to start adding your FAQs. The first thing you'll want to do is add a heading. So click on Add Heading and choose the style that fits your website's design. Type in a question that is commonly asked by your audience. Using a heading style for questions helps distinguish them from the answers and ensures better readability. Now it's time to add an answer. Still in the Add or Elements menu, click on Text again. This time, choose a simple text box to write out your answer. Place it directly beneath the question to keep everything organized and clear. As you continue adding questions and answers, remember to keep the content concise and straightforward, as this improves user experience. And that's it. You've successfully created a FAQ page on your Wix website. This page will serve as a valuable resource for visitors, providing them with answers to common questions at their fingertips. Keep revisiting it to update or add new content as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing!